In front of me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google, tap on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. Then hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!